It happened once again, folks. Anthony Riley uploaded a video, once again showing the ridiculousness of a spinning Earth causing the Coriolis effect. And yet what happened was, we had a secret little hidden thing in there that ultimately demonstrates that Coriolis is once and for all dead. We'll get to that in a moment. But first, let's look at some of the comments that the globe heads just cannot get off of with the Coriolis effect. So we start out by noticing there's 14 thumbs down and 28 thumbs up. Why so many thumbs down? Well, this is one of the very few so-called proofs that the Earth actually does move one iota. So let's see who shows up as usual when the Coriolis effect comes up. Here an oldie but a goodie, Blargo, shows up. Congratulations, yet another scientific principle you don't understand. Say what? Coriolis is a force we do not understand? How many times do we have to point out that the definition of a Coriolis force is a fictitious force used to explain the deflection of the path of a body moving in latitude relative to the Earth when observed from the Earth. Fictitious force. So what is it in this video that absolutely shows Coriolis effect is of no effect? Besides the fact that Tony correctly shows that the plume from a volcano has no twisting or turning because of the so-called spin of the Earth. But a bullet does. What you're about to witness is the ultimate disapproval of the Coriolis effect. This woman is going to create a force in the water using a plate. Unfortunately, what nobody has picked up on is that the two spinning circles that you will see here in a moment in the water create both a clockwise and a counterclockwise spinning force. Now, since this was done presumably in the northern hemisphere, the one that is furthest away from the observer, the one towards the top of the screen, should have died out last. Why? Because it is being aided by the so-called rotation of the Earth, while the other one is being hindered by the Coriolis effect and the same rotation of the Earth. As you will see, though, both of these, after 3 minutes, die out at the same time, showing there is no effect of the Coriolis effect on these objects. There is no spin of the Earth, aiding one and getting rid of another. I have explained in separate videos why hurricanes and tornadoes will go counterclockwise in the north and clockwise in the south. Now let's watch the completion of this effect here, which is of no effect.
The water in the pool. That's it. But look what forms.
Perfect black circles on the bottom of the pool. And it's so weird. They don't die. They just keep going right next to each other. I sped this footage up because the circles took 3 minutes to cross the pool and didn't seem to be dying out. These got sharper as they went and made it all the way across.
So cool. And look closer. You can see what's causing them. There are two almost unnoticeable dips in the surface of the water. Why don't they die out? And how do these dark spots form? And why do the dips move together? So many questions.
Yes, there are a lot of questions that can be answered in the video. I want to keep this short, but I have slowed this down here so you can see they both crash out at the same time. Thanks for watching, guys. The ultimate death of Coriolis is shown here quite well. Take care, guys. God bless.